Hello everyone. In this video you will learn how can you download Canva for your PC. So for downloading it, click on Window key and then search here Microsoft Store and then open it. Then here go to search bar and then search here Canva. Now here you can see the Canva is showing. Now click on install. So here you can see it is downloading. So this will take some time to install. So now here you can see it is showing installed. Now click on Window key and then search here Canva. So here you can see. Now click on open. So here you can see the Canva is launched. Now you can log in through browser and start creating whatever you want in Canva. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.